Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with TD Ameritrade, complete guide step by step clearly. To budget with TD Ameritrade, start by creating an account if you don't have one. Visit the TD Ameritrade website and click on the Open New Account button. Provide the necessary personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Select the type of account you want to open, such as an individual or joint account. Once your account is set up, log into the TD Ameritrade platform. Navigate to the planning section at the top of the dashboard. Click on Budgets to access budgeting tools. Define your financial goals by setting a target amount for savings or investments. Review your current income and expenses to understand your financial situation. Use the budgeting tool to input your monthly income and categorize your expenses. Adjust your expense categories based on your personal spending habits. Set limits for each expense category to help stay on track. Make use of the Spending Habits feature to analyze your past spending patterns. Monitor your progress regularly by checking your budget dashboard. Consider automating your savings by setting up recurring transfers to your investment accounts. Utilize TD Ameritrade's investment resources to learn about growing your savings. Stay informed about market trends that may affect your budgeting and investing decisions. Periodically review and adjust your budget as your financial situation changes. Finally, remain disciplined and track your achievements to stay motivated on your budgeting journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.